Stop by and take a look at the 2017 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, navigation system, backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.